Not much, but I hope this finds you well on your special day, sir. I just want to thank you for all that you've given us, too much to count. I feel like without you, sir, our knowledge on writing would be chaotic. If it wasn't for you who teach and correct, yeah, that's why actually it's taught and corrected us on it. Sir, thank you for being patient with us since first quarter until now, sir. We really appreciate you for that. As we all know that this school year is ending soon, I really hope that you'll still be our subject teacher next school year, sir. And I sad face with sad face. I also want to let you know, sir, that you're really a fun teacher to be with. Ano again, fun. Sige na magkatawa sa klase. I also want to be and by that's why we have learned a lot from you. Ano nga lagi, sige kung katawa, sige pa katawa. Pero lahat sa nakatunan na, yeah. As we try to make learning fun. I don't know. Sige lang sa katawa. And thank you so much, sir. And that must be all, sir. Thank you again for reading this and take care on wherever you go, sir. Good luck on your rankings. God bless. We love you, sir. From the moon. Lapit yun akong ranking. Tanaw na sa akong live siguro ba mga videos nagduwa ko gamay. So mga to, I'm so happy that upon reading their letters na pero kay at least ba sa katuig na appreciate nila itong effort as a teacher ba, though it's our job to teach you sa mga butang sa subject matter, sometimes life lessons sa panauban diha. Still na appreciate na ako ang appreciate ba nga ikaw diha as a teacher teaching them. So na, at least this is my first time reading birthday greetings letter sa mga letter kay wala mo lang ito, wala tago rin ako and hindi ko ganahan mo oo ko, pero sa akong previous mga advisory before wala sila nakatagog letter, but they have made surprise sila na ako mato magwasa ko nagsultiya pa na to, I don't know na nakabaw to sila ito sila nakapag-video ito sa Facebook ako i-post so matorahan kayo ang letter ara napadre masalahan kayo sila. I think they are all 45. I don't know kung 45 ba ni tanan o na ko ipa kung sila bang tanan nagsuot. Wala ta nagpa-paragraph writing actually sa fourth quarter man god their lessons is about writing like itong using the appropriate use of grammatical signals, the parts of the paragraph, and outlining, summarizing, synthesizing, and ito nga mga parts writing a paragraph mo na siguro, I don't know yan sila masuwat kay I think they're thinking performance task rin ni sir anyway sa mga natin anyhow, thank you for watching and listening sa ilang mga letters and wala lang mo share ba na ba at some point that's as a teacher that's very rewarding ba makabaw ka nga na-appreciate ka nila na sila nakatunan sa moha okay na kayo na nga makabaw ka nga nakatunan sa na sila nakatunan sa moha binapog sa kung sige na akong katawa sa classroom was sila nakatunan tama ta